Welcome back to Next Gen Auto Hub. In the evolving world of family mobility, few names carry the same quiet dignity as Honda Elysion. Introduced as Honda's premium MPV, it has always stood for refinement, innovation, and comfort. The second generation, launched in 2015 for the Chinese market under the RC1 platform, represents a rebirth, a complete transformation that redefines what luxury family travel means in the modern era. The first generation Elysion, launched in 2004, was a showcase of technology and smooth performance for Japan. But by 2015, customer needs had changed. Families wanted more space, sophistication, and connectivity without losing the spirit of reliability that Honda was known for. And so, the second generation Elysion was born, a product of collaboration between Honda Motor Company and its Chinese partner Dongfeng Honda, designed specifically to meet the expectations of a new generation of premium MPV buyers in China. From the outside, the 2015 Elysion makes an immediate impression. It departs from the rounded, understated design of its predecessor and steps boldly into the future with a striking, confident stance. The front fascia wears a wide chrome grille that flows seamlessly into the LED headlamps, creating a signature Honda wing face. The sculpted hood, sharp shoulder lines, and floating roof design give the Elysion an elegant yet athletic presence. Large sliding doors, sleek aerodynamic mirrors, and 17-inch multi-spoke alloys add to the sense of refined motion, even when the car is standing still. The proportions are balanced, long, low, and gracefully stretched, communicating both prestige and practicality. Built on a new, highly rigid RC platform, the 2015 Elysion offers a perfect balance between strength and smoothness. The chassis incorporates Honda's latest ACE, Advanced Compatibility Engineering, body structure for improved crash protection, while increased use of high-tensile steel reduces weight without sacrificing rigidity. The result is an MPV that feels both stable and agile, a rare combination in this segment. Under the hood, the Elysion offers two efficient powertrains tailored to Chinese regulations and customer demand. The base variant is powered by a 2.4-litre Earth Dreams IVTEC engine, producing around 186 horsepower and 243 Nm of torque, paired with a CVT transmission for effortless, linear acceleration. For those seeking more performance, the 3.0-litre V6 IVTEC engine delivers a smooth 250 horsepower through a 6-speed automatic gearbox. Both engines emphasize quietness and refinement, supported by active noise cancellation systems and advanced engine mounts that isolate vibration. But it's inside where the Elysion truly defines itself. Open the large electric sliding doors and you enter a cabin designed not just for passengers, but for people, families, executives, and travelers who appreciate serenity and space. The layout is airy and harmonious, with a focus on human-centric design. High-grade soft-touch materials wrap the dashboard and door panels, while elegant wood grain and metallic trims create a sense of warmth and luxury. The 7-seat configuration offers captain chairs in the second row, fully reclining, with extendable leg rests and individual armrests. The third row folds flat to expand cargo space, giving flexibility for both family travel and business use. Triple-zone climate control, ambient lighting, and acoustic glass transform long journeys into quiet, relaxing experiences. Honda's signature Magic Seat system allows multiple seating configurations, adapting to luggage, passengers, or both. Technology plays a central role in the 2015 Elysion. A large central touchscreen integrates navigation, multimedia, and smartphone connectivity, while the TFT instrument cluster provides real-time driving data in crisp detail. The intelligent key system, push-button start, and electric tailgate simplify daily usability. On higher trims, the Elysion even features Honda Sensing, the brand's advanced safety suite combining collision mitigation braking, lane-keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and road departure mitigation. These systems work seamlessly to protect occupants and enhance confidence behind the wheel. In motion, the Elysion delivers what Honda engineers describe as graceful performance. The suspension uses a refined McPherson front and torsion beam rear setup, tuned for comfort without excessive roll. Steering feedback is light yet accurate, making city driving effortless while maintaining composure on highways. Honda's focus on NVH reduction through thicker insulation improved door seals, and floating floor mounts ensures the cabin remains whisper quiet even at high speed. The 2015 Elysion is more than a mode of transport, it's an experience. It redefines the MPV as a luxurious mobile lounge, a space where technology, craftsmanship, and practicality coexist. It's designed for those who don't just move from point A to point B, but who value the journey itself. This second-generation model also marked Honda's deeper commitment to the Chinese market, not as a secondary product, but as a centerpiece of its regional lineup. The Elysion sits alongside models like the Odyssey, yet caters to a slightly more upscale audience, blending the soul of Japanese precision with the elegance expected in China's executive MPV class. Thanks for watching Next Gen Auto Hub, and as always, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep driving toward the future.